And remember, the first step to understanding is remembering that he's an idiot. All right. See you later, sweetie. Bye-bye now.
Young lady, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, you need to stop talking and start listening.
I hate your attitude.
Hi, Samantha. What a surprise. You know, I thought I heard your voice next door.
Hey there, Alice. Need a cup of sugar, some candied fruit, some insulin maybe?
Oh, you are too funny. No, I just dropped by. What with all the noise? Everything okay over here?
Well, I'm leaving, so I'm great.
No, you're not. We're not finished here.
Oh, you guys are redecorating! Come on! What do I do first?
Great. Thanks, Alice. My mom needs all the help she can get.
Oi. IKEA. You know, his name may be easier to say than his Swedish friends, but Billy is a bitch to put together. I tried it once, almost put a gun to my head.
It's pretty simple to me.
Well, it's actually, please help us. If you can fix this, we'll have one less bitch in the room to complain about.
Now, Peggy, don't talk about yourself like that. Okay, all right. Here, Peggy, take these. All right, I want you to put them right in there. And here, okay, Sam, you get to have the wooden pegs and you get to shove them in there just as far as you can. Come on, let's go. Good. Come on. Look at that, huh? Nice. Wow. You know, you're doing great. There is nothing to fight about.
Fighting? Who, us?
You know, and there's nothing to worry about. But I don't think anyone but our floor heard you guys. Well, maybe downstairs, but definitely not the whole building. Don't worry about it. There's this new couple down the hall. They had a total blowout over how to load the dishwasher. Can you imagine? They're totally headed for divorce.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm trying to do my best here.
Your best. You have to set the bar a lot higher than that.
You know, I'm sorry I'm not as talented as you. You and your dad are always picking on me. It's never enough. Just pick.
Guess what? Dad's not around anymore. You did this to yourself. You're not some kind of innocent victim in this, Mother.
Why don't you just go home and just take care of your own house?
I see.
Typical. Well, my job here is done.
Oh,
Take care,
no,
Alice.
it's not. Now you get in there and make things right with her.
You're kidding. She's off in crazy town right now.
She is your mother. And you're an adult, Sam. And you made the decision to come down here today to help her. And you are going to follow through.
Mom. Mom, open the door.
Leave me alone. Go tell your father what a terrible mother I am and how you've always been right about everything.
Here we go again.
No, you have got to stay in this. You know she needs you to listen to her.
Why does everything have to revolve around her? Why am I always in the middle, huh? What about me?
You're not the only one who's hurting.
Oh, really? Who died and made you the expert, huh? What's your daughter up to? What's your precious Katie doing lately?
Now don't you be so self-righteous. If you walk away now, you might not see her for months or even years because you're not listening to each other. Now, please, trust me.
Alice, stop. What are you doing? Give me my bag.
Get in there and work it out.